In this video, we will see data hierarchies, and what is drill down. So that is one thing which we are going to see this in this video as a practically. Let's see how to do this. So basically, hierarchy is one thing where we can go to the detail level. Suppose we wanted to see data, let's say population data by region name, then state or city. That is, if you wanted to see, then we can do that with this feature which is available here. And if you click on this, there is an option of data and drill. How to do this now? To Let's try to do this. So this is showing as a region, a region population is showing as a region, and its data. To If you just add this as a country here in this field, you can see this has been changed. You can see this is showing a region name. If you can just swipe it like this, then it can show it like this as country and then region. Whenever we add these two fields, you can see this there are some icons which are available here. So now this is something which is to click to turn on drill down. This is going to next level in the hierarchy. Then this is something which is drill all down one level in the like last level of the hierarchies. So there are, if suppose there are like four levels of hierarchies, then it will go down to the fourth level of the hierarchies. So these are the options which are available. If I just click on this next, then it will show as a region. uh, or if I wanted to go back, I can click on here. So this is one way we can do this. This is automatically generated hierarchies which we can say, which Power BI has created. We can manually also create the hierarchies in this tool, and then we can use that as well. Now let's try to do that. Let's remove this country name from here, and let's just keep region name here. And now you will not see that options available here in the chart. Now to create hierarchies, we can just right click on this region name and just click on this as a new create hierarchies. You can create the hierarchies like this. Now this is the region name hierarchy is created, but with just having a region name. So if you wanted to add this, we can if you wanted to add this country in this region hierarchy as well, then we can just click on here as a more options, and you can see we can add to hierarchies and region name hierarchy. This is one way we can add it, and you can see we can just select this and you can get added. So now when we select this, you can just remove this the region name earlier, and this is hierarchy which we can see this here now. And now we can go back, go to the next level as well by clicking on this, and we can come back to here as well like this. Now there is an option of click to turn on drill down. So if you just enable this, then you can just click on this, and we can go to the more detailed level as well. So if you can go back, and if you can click on this again, you can drill to the detail level. If this is not enabled, then it is not possible to go in this. If you click on this, then it will not go to the next level. So to enable, when we enable this, then this gets to the next level like this, and this is also interact with each other as well. So this is one thing which is we can do this. And if you just don't want to use this country hierarchy, then just we can unselect this option, and it will just show up the region. So this is the one way we can do this. Now there is one more thing which I wanted to show in this data drill option, where on which visualizations this drill down filter should be applied. Now when we click on this, it is just an entire page or selected visual. Suppose we don't want to use this visual drilling for this complete page, then we can just select like this, just selected visuals. Now when we do this, then it will not affect like this. If you just I go to next level as well, then this chart will not affect. But if you make it as the entire page, then it can affect to the entire page as well. So you can see, if I click on this, then also it is coming like this. Like this, we can select any of these things, and it will show up like this hierarchies. So this is the way we can drill the hierarchies. We have this drill up and drill down option as well here, which we can use. Drill through is another thing which we will see it more in detail with the example. So that is something which is advanced, and I don't want to go into that now. That we will see it in the next video. I hope now you have understood how to create the hierarchies and how to use it in the chart. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in comment section. And if you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.